Kapoor, Madhur Bhandarkar shaking hands on something just now. कुछ तो बात इनके बीच में पक्की हो गई है. We're super duper excited. Everything good for you in Dubai? All is well right here?
Absolutely all is well. बहुत अच्छा लगता है and we were very excited to come to Dubai over here. Dubai has been a great market over here. People have appreciated Hindi cinema a lot over here. So it was absolutely great. We were very looking forward for this Dubai visit.
करीना शॉपिंग की आपने?
Time का, they're not giving me time only to go to Dubai Mall.
What is this यार?
Lokesh ले जा shopping.
I will take a shopping.
Come on, I love shopping in Dubai. तो
करीना ने अभी शॉपिंग के लिए कल फ्लाइट डिले की, कल शॉपिंग कर रही थी. ऐसी अंदर की बात बता रहा हूँ.
हाँ, ये अंदर की बात हो रही थी.
सवेरे का जो फ्लाइट है कैंसिल करके वो कल्टी काट रही है और शॉपिंग करने वाली है.
Not bad. So make sure that you go to Dubai Mall and all these exotic places.
Finish flight फिर से सुबह वाली लेके Kareena's out of here. वैसे so what is that one thing जो आपने कभी last 12 सालों में confidence से बोल दिया और फिर वो सच बन गया?
As the real life heroine, like you say it in the movie.
Actually, I think this is of course Madhur's version, and of course there is, and I completely believe in that dialogue.
There is some truth to it.
Definitely. That
ये भी आप confidence से बोल रहे हो.
confidence के साथ बोलो तो झूठ भी
सच लगता है.
I think that that is the way the industry functions. I don't know why, especially आजकल पिछले 2-3 सालों में I feel that. But I've never lied. Never know, I might just start.
आप
If the movie does well.
आप एक कॉन्फिडेंस से बोल रहे हैं कि आपने कभी झूठ नहीं बोला. क्या ये भी एक झूठ है? No, but I was watching one of your interviews where you said, in fact, all your interviews you've said that you never work to get an award. But when you're working with Madhur Bhandarkar, इनका तो ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड ऐसा है कि कोई भी हीरोइन के साथ काम करती है, चाहे वो प्रियंका कंगना हो लास्ट फैशन में या फिर तब्बू इन चांदनी बार. कहीं एक बार दिमाग में आया, एक थॉट आया कि यार कर रही हूँ मैं हीरोइन फिल्म.
वो झूठ मैंने कॉन्फिडेंस से बोला.
अच्छा, वो झूठ. But are you looking at the national award this time?
No, I don't think so. I think right now what Madhur and me are kind of focusing on is, just the fact what we've discussed is we just want the movie to be a huge success at the box office, so Sid can go back home with, a lot of money from Dubai, especially, they can just enjoy that. Well, we'll just enjoy.
We'll just enjoy. हम लोग खुश होंगे. हम लोग पेपर में फोटो देख के खुश हो जाएंगे.
Sid the writer is looking like Uncle Scrooge. I can see dollar signs in his eyes.
I hope so. That's what we want. So right now the focus is just the movie, people appreciating it and it doing well.
And so, what was the one bhram that you had in your mind about Madhur Bhandarkar, that he'll be this type of director or that type of director? That once you worked with him, you realized, hey, no, yeah, he's quite chill.
I think that he's a great guy, a great director. He's got a very unique personality because, of course, he makes films which are really, realistic and hard hitting, and people feel like he must be, rehearsals and workshops and very serious. And that's never, I don't think we've ever given more than 2 takes. We're constantly laughing and joking. Laughing, joking, chatting.
Gossiping.
क्या चल रहा है?
क्या हो रहा है? जलवा.
So, the movie's been made like that, which is, I don't think we've ever really sat down and said, okay, let's do that.
No. By the time we thought कि अभी क्या और कर रहे हैं तो पिक्चर खत्म हो गई.
It's pretty interesting. मतलब जब भी आप women-oriented films बनाते हैं, they always work very well at the box office. But when you make like a Dil To Bachcha Hai Ji or an Aan, Man at Work, बहुत पुराना movie है वो आपका. They don't seem to work. So
I think Aan didn't work obviously because there were cops movie that time. A lot of films came there. Dil To Bachcha did moderately well because it made with the budget. 100% didn't win 100 crores, but it did moderately well, and the budget was the USP of the film, which was controlled and got a lot of appreciation of slice of life. लेकिन ये ऐसी industry is like double-edged sword है. जब I made Dil To Bachcha है, then people said कि अरे यार Madhur should stick to his genre of realism cinema. मैं थोड़ा सा बासुदा ऋषिदा की तरह फिल्म बनाने जा रहा हूँ तो लोग बोले यार मधुर अच्छी फिल्म है Dil To Bachcha है, लेकिन मेरे ख्याल से you should stick to your genre. अगर अभी ऐसी फिल्म बनाऊंगा, अच्छा मधुर का नेक्स्ट टॉपिक क्या है अभी किसकी बैंड बजा रहा है वो अभी ऐसा रहा है, तो इट्स अ डबल एज सोर्ड कि अगर आप बनाओ ये टाइप का सिनेमा तो मधु शुड कम आउट ऑफ इट यार. वो हार्ड हिटिंग फिल्म, रियलिज्म, टॉपिकल फिल्म कब तक बनाएगा?
और अगर बनाओ वैसे तो भी
तो बनाएगा तो प्रॉब्लम है उनको, तो फिर बहुत दिक्कत है. कोई कल मैं बोलूँगा एक लव स्टोरी बनाऊंगा तो लोग बोले अरे इसको क्या हो गया, पागल हो गया ये. इसकी जो दुकान चलने देना, क्यों बंद कर रहा है?
Kareena, any moment in the film, any scene in the film that you thought was very difficult to do, or you had a lot of fun doing it? Any special memories from the film?
I think the entire experience has been extremely memorable.
Okay.
It just I never ever thought that the journey would be so much fun, like the way I always thought, oh my God, it's going to be tough, and this
Draining hoga.
draining, and it's there's so much, there are high-powered emotional scenes. But I think that every single scene in this film I've given more than 200%. I feel that because the film is about a life of a star, a life of a heroine.
Right.
I've always wanted to be a heroine.
Right.
So I've just kind of put myself in every situation, in every scene, and just felt that this could be, it could happen to me, or I could react like this. Even though, of course, the way Mahi does react is slightly
Over the top.
emotional,
Okay.
moody, sunky, but it's just been an amazing journey, and I think it's straight from the heart, my performance.
Did it ever occur to you at any of the scenes, कि अरे हाँ, this is so close to life, yeah, this is exactly what happens with all the heroines?
I mean, I don't know, I mean, when you see the film, I think that, of course, everything is very, very real, like the underlayer of the way the industry functions. But what happens to Mahi is, it's a character that Madhur has written. And as people know, Madhur Bhandarkar likes to show the underbelly and the dark side of what life is. It's not going to be Snow Peak Mountains, chiffons, the hero looking into my eyes and this, I mean, of course, there is that, but there is also this which, people should know.
So I guess the $1 million question then is, were there any real life moments incorporated in the movie?
According to me, 70%, but she saw the film, she says 80%. So I'm just getting more apprehensive for the people reaction after 21st September. कि the industry people will say कि अरे किस की इसने band बजाई. So there would be people like that, but I think it's not particular one incident or one individual we have taken. It's particular traits from so many people, from Hollywood also, from Indian film industry also. So I think people should not be judgmental, and they should just think they're watching a film and should not take seriously the whole
or at least
aspect of film.
Google it before they start deciding किसने क्या किया था. They should at least Google it, then Google will tell you किसने क्या किया था. Then you're not being judgmental, it's Google is telling you what to think.
Absolutely. So I picked up the slice of life from Google only.
Hard-hitting film, Halkat Jawani, and of course, Chammak Challo, everyone's favorite. Kareena Kapoor in the studios of City 1016, along with Madhur Bhandarkar and Siddharth Roy Kapoor. उनका birthday है 21st of September को. Of course, अभी studio में आए तो wish करेंगे. Right after this song, keep it locked to City 1016.